Today's project, gonna install the AKROPOVIC exhaust G slip-on exhaust. Gonna take off the stock exhaust muffler because it's pretty quiet and looks like a dinosaur is on there. So let's see what the old one sounds like. The old exhaust sounds like. Yeah, we warmed up the bike before we turned it on. Basic tools you're gonna need: 12mm, 10mm. So let's get this project started. Take these 3 screws off, hex screws. Put it on the side. It's 12mm in the front, 12mm in the back. And then the 10mm screw for the exhaust gasket. And get that off. And take the old one off. New one look like. Take a rag, wipe it down. Comes with hardware, anti-seize. Gasket. The muffler, the anti-seize, which is this right here. You gotta put it on the threadings of the, so it won't get any rust, in case you gotta service it at any time, any point. Put some of that on there. Get it all around. Alright. You just slip this right on. Like that. Get your mounting bolts. That's washer. Front. And it comes for one in the back. We're backwards here. It's in there. And you put this first on here. Yeah. Then you put it on. Put that on. Tighten everything up. Gotta find a tool, tighten this up, and put this back on, and that's it, you're done. So that's what it would look like after you install it. Let's see how it sounds.